Go through the books. Surya Pratap, are you doing? Sorry, unmute yourself, बेटा. कर रहे हो?
नहीं हो रहा, पर कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, देख नहीं रहा सब अच्छा.
Yes. Go through that. Underline the hard words. जैसे देख रहे हो ना, Benny loved reading. First sentence को underline करो बेटा, वो आपका answer है. Benny loved reading. What was the hobby of Benny? Benny की क्या hobby थी?
Benny loved reading.
He loved reading.
है ना. और वहां पे देखोगे बेटा
Benny loved reading.
है द आइलैंड ऑफ एडवेंचर. उसको जरा ध्यान से, किसने किसको किताब दिया?
सर
बिल ने बेनी को दिया.
Yes, तो इसलिए कह रहा हूँ
बेनी.
you must underline the name of the friends.
Okay.
Is it right? हेलो सुधा मैम, क्लास करने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ रही है. हाँ हाँ, कंटिन्यू करें.
Take half a book. Benny, you need a book about as long as the dictionary. I want a book that goes on forever, said Benny.
Okay, good.
That's the only book that will really give me enough reading. Benny hadn't enough money to buy a lot of books, and no one gave him any except at Christmas time. He had about 8 of his own, and that was all.
Okay.
So Benny borrowed books from his friends from the library.
कहाँ
Please
से बुक लाया था मोला? कहाँ से बुक लाता था? लाइब्रेरी. ओके, थैंक यू बेटा. चलो सृष्टि, नेक्स्ट. सृष्टि, you will do. चलो read out.
Yes, sir. So Benny borrowed book from his friend and from the library. Please, will you lend me the Island of Adventure? He asked Bill.
Page number 36.
I haven't read it. He asked Mary for the secret 7 and she learned it to him. Then he borrowed 5 on a desert island from Henry and 2 nature books from John. But he always forget to give them back. At least he forget at first, but when he saw his bookcase gradually filling up, he simply could not bear to give back any of the books. So he did not. If the children asked him for them, he pretended he had not given them. He was a most dishonest little boy. He did not only borrow books, he borrowed a ball from Eric
Okay,
and
beta.
a pen.
Aniket. Okay, thank you. Aniket, next you will read out. Unmute
Sir,
करो
class
अनिकेत.
कब start करेंगे?
हाँ, चलो रीड आउट करो. अनिकेत,
And sir, what is the meaning of indeed?
इंडिड के अलावा मतलब। ओके बेटा, पहले आयुष को पढ़ने दो, उसके बाद आप लोगों को मीनिंग दूंगा मैं। चलो आयुष, राइट।
Benny loved reading. He allowed had his nose in a book, and he never had enough to read. Ridley sinned with mothers. You only take her full air. Never said Benny. That's
नेक्स्ट, अनिकेत नहीं हो पा रहा है। बेटा अनम्यूट करके, नहीं हो पा रहा। पेज नंबर 30।
so many borrowed books from his friend and from the library. Please, will you lend me the Island of Adventure? He asked, will I have it? He asked Mary for the seven, and she lent it to him. They to borrow 5 on a treasure island from Harry, and 2 national books from John. But he always forgot to give them back. At last he forgot at first, but when he saw his bookcase duly filling up, he simply pondered years or to give his back any of the book. So he did. If the children asked him for them, he present. He asked got them. He was not.
ओके, थैंक यू। एम आई ऑडिबल?
Yes. Yes, sir.
चलिए पढ़िए आगे बेटा।
Books. He borrowed a ball from Eric and a pen from Lucky. Kenneth lent him his jigsaw, and Eileen lent him her new rubber. And the children were very cross indeed. And then one night it happened.
आयुष, प्रॉब्लम इज कमिंग अगेन। क्लास में फिर बेटा देखो स्टॉप हो रहा है।